Hey guys, welcome back. And we are officially in celebration season, winter season. It's time to be cozy, warm in your house, eating good treats. And that's it. This video is how to make deep fried donuts. Start by pouring in 2 cups of warm water. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 cup of white sugar or vanilla sugar, and 1 packet of dried yeast. Because I didn't have vanilla sugar, I used vanilla extracts and I only used the neck of the bottle. Whisk all your wet ingredients together. Guys, I've been making this for years and I always love making this. So add 3.5 cups of self-raising flour and mix it all together. Then add 1/4 cup of milk. Sometimes I use liquid milk, sometimes I use powdered milk, but these are optional. You don't have to add it if you don't like the taste. And then you're gonna store it away for 1 hour, and after an hour it will rise up like this. Then just wet your hands with warm water so the dough doesn't stick to your hands, and then you're gonna just squeeze it into a ball shape as you drop it into hot oil like this. Now don't put it in until the oil is hot. And then you're going to turn it over, be turning it over so that all around is golden. Now you don't have to use your hands to drop the batter into the oil, but that's my preferred method, and if you want to learn other methods, that's for another video. You can eat this with a hot drink and some peanuts. So just to be extra, I decided to serve mine with fruit icing, sugar and Ferrero Rochers. Thanks for watching.